Generating financial calendars. We're going to generate a financial calendar for a new month-based financial year. To complete this process, we'll first generate a calendar for a new financial year, and then review the newly generated periods. To begin with, go to the Finance Workspace and open the Master Financial Calendar form. Click the Generate Calendar button. In the Generate GL Calendar dialog box, verify that the desired financial year is displayed in the From Year and To Year fields, and click the OK button. A pop-up will appear confirming that the process has been completed. In the table, the newly generated periods are displayed. Now, we will review the periods for the financial year added. To do so, go back to the Finance Workspace and open the Company Financial Calendar form. In the Selection area, make sure the correct company name and the new financial year is selected. In the table that displays, review the periods generated for the new year. Note that all the periods in the new financial year will have the inactive status.